Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see the execution of QNX code with the help of VMware. The video consists of two parts. The first part explains about the installation and execution of VMware and QNX Momentics IDE. The second part consists of executing the QNX code with the help of VMware.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to install QNX Momentics and VMware in our computer. Search QNX Software Center. Open the first link. Since I already log in with your credentials. If you are a new member, click new member. Put your mail ID and password and verify. Since I already am a user, so I am just logging. Here go to QNX Software Center. If you are using Linux machine, click for Linux host, and if you are using Windows machine, click Windows host. And it will automatically get downloaded. And after downloading, open the file. Click yes. Next. Agree. Install anyone using this computer. Select a destination folder. Install. Finish. It will take some time. Click add installation. Go to QNX Software Platform 8.0. Click QNX Development Platform 8.0. That's a stable version. Click next. 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 It automatically get installed. After installation, go to install new packages. In this search BSP for generic x86 64. Click finish. Close. Next go to available and search BSP for Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi 4 install. Close. Search for target image for Raspberry Pi 4. And also install QNX SDP 8.0 quick start target image for Raspberry Pi 4. Click install. Finish. It will take some time. After installing all packages, just verify install all 4 packages. BSP for generic x86, BSP for Raspberry Pi 4, BCM 2711, and quick start target image for Raspberry Pi 4 and software development platform 8.0. After the QNX Momentics and packages installation, we need to install VMware. For that, copy the link that is given in the description and paste it in your browser. It will open one drive link. Click the 3 dots and download. Download anyway. Download. Now after downloading, open the file. Click yes. Click next. And after installing, click finish button.
So after installing VMware, go to QNX Software Center and launch your QNX Momentics IDE. Press launch. So this will few seconds. So now the QNX Momentics IDE has booted up. So go to files, click new, projects, QNX project, click next, and Select the third option, QNX executable. Click next. Then give a project name. I will name this is hello1 underscore. Then as we are using software here, so we're going to choose x86 underscore 64. The ARC64LE is for hardware. So we are using software here, so we're choosing the second option. Click finish. So as you can see here, my project has been created and it's located here. So now you can see a bar here right on. So click the arrow here. This is to launch your target. Click new launch target. So we're gonna use VMware, right? So QNX virtual machine target. Choose it. Click next. And you can give your target name. So it's default here as VM3. So I will give it as VMware. And VM platform is VMware. Choose VMware for it. And CPU architecture is, as we are using software, we have to choose the second one, x86/64. So you don't need to worry about this IP address and extra options. Leave it as it is. Click finish. So you can see a screen here. Few lines will be loading there. So this will be taking around 2 to 3 minutes to boot up. Once it is completed, you can see your VMware screen booting up. So let's wait for a few seconds. As you can see, the VMware Windows has popped up here. So wait for a few minutes and this will load. As you can see, there will be around 10 to 15 lines printed here. So wait for some more time. So you can see here the VMware, the X mark has gone here. So now your VMware is launched successfully. So you can minimize this tab. So you can see here, right, all these two VMware has an X mark here. It is not yet launched. So this one doesn't have any, so it is launched. Now select our project, right click it. You can see an option as run as. Choose the first option, QNX application, click it. So you will be getting an output hello world. This is a code for printing hello world. We got the output successfully. So this is the method of running a code using VMware. This is fully software side.